Brought to you by the editors of People and Español. Kim Kardashian West is calling on her fans to help victims of Mexico's recent earthquake. To mark being on the cover of Vogue Mexico, the 36-year-old reality TV star used interest in the October issue to encourage fans to help victims of the deadly earthquake that ravaged parts of the country earlier this month. This beautiful country has been devastated by the recent earthquakes and needs our support. If you want to help, please consider making a donation to Project Paz, who give every dollar raised to the victims. http://www.projectpaz.org, Kim tweeted. This beautiful country has been devastated by the recent earthquakes and needs our support. Kim Kardashian West at Kim Kardashian September 28, 2017. She also shared her cover saying, "I'm so honored to be featured on the cover of Vogue Mexico's October beauty issue. Vogue believes affairs in Mexico." Vogue Mexico donated to Project Paz, inspiring the star to suggest the charity. The move comes nearly 2 weeks after the 7.1 magnitude quake devastated Mexico City and surrounding regions, leaving many buildings in rubble and nearly 300 people dead, including several children. Shocking images and videos from the destruction reveal the extent of the damage from the violent quake, with buildings reduced to rubble, others on fire, and thousands of people flooding the streets after fleeing their homes. A majority of the casualties had been reported in Puebla, Morelos, and Mexico states, and Mexico City. Serrera Aguilar among those killed. 21 children died at Enrique Repsamen School in Mexico City. The Associated Press reported that dozens of buildings toppled into mounds of rubble, with at least 44 buildings falling apart in Mexico City alone. Kardashian West isn't the only reality TV star to lend a hand in Mexico's relief efforts. Real Housewives of New York City star Bethany Frankel headed to Mexico in the wake of the devastation to visit those affected by the quake and subsequent aftershocks in Mexico City and Jojutla with a small group from the cable agency.